Hello food lovers! 2 salmon tartar with avocado cream. There are so many beautiful things you can do with salmon. I'm Wessel Woortman, let's get started. We're going to start off chopping the chive. The fresh coriander or cilantro if you like. The dill we're going to keep some aside to decorate our dish. The avocados have to be ripe, of course. A pinch of salt, a good peppermill, and we're going to crush them with a fork. Add half of the chive, I would say 1 tablespoon, the coriander, cilantro, all of it. Press some lime juice. We're going to mix it up. We're going to preserve 2/3 of our avocados in the fridge. Add a tablespoon of crème fraiche. Add a little bit more pepper. A few drops of lime juice more. And we're going to make this more creamy. So here you go, and we're also going to preserve this in the fridge. Very important to keep all your ingredients cold. It will be much more easier to work with. The red endive. Wash under cold water, and we're going to preserve these in the fridge as well. Choose a pomegranate that is not too ripe, so the areoles have a little bit of acidity. Just cut the skin and break it open. Nice and tenderly. Just going to do it. And we're going to cut our fresh salmon in nice little bits, like this. The same for the smoked salmon. A good peppermill. Chive, 1 tablespoon is enough. Our fresh dill, going to be 1 tablespoon as well. Crème fraiche. Pomegranate, 2 tablespoons, and we're going to mix this tenderly without crushing everything. We're not going to put any salt in here because the smoked salmon is going to add enough salt. And we're going to put this back in the fridge again. You take the smallest parts of the endive, or chicory if you like, and then we're going to cut them almost the size of the ring. And you need about 5 to 6 of them. Take a teaspoon and bend. Pour a little layer of olive oil on the inside of the ring. And this is to avoid our tartar to stick on the sides. You can do the same thing with the spoons. Just a little layer. First thing to do is we're going to take the avocados with the cream. And we're going to put our ring here. The first layer of our crushed avocados. Then get it even everywhere. The second layer of salmon, Don't put too many pressure on there, just do it gently. And now we're gonna stick these endives on the side. Again, a layer of avocado. And the last layer of salmon. Push gently and lift off the ring. And here we got our tartar, a little dot of salmon on the cream. Just cut the tops. And that's a beautiful flower. And here you go. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.